Okay, on to the main course. So following down a kind of Chinesey route, we've got some pork bang bang. So there's our pork, we've deep fried it in some spiced flour. Then we've got some bang bang sauce. It's like a sweet chili mayonnaise sauce. We're going to serve that with stir-fried noodles, basically. So we've got our veg, our noodles, and our stir-fry sauce. Garnish with some chili, coriander, and some peanuts and sesame. Okay, first step, let's get the porky in the oven. Let's go straight on. So oven's on as hot as possible. Awesome. We're going to get this guy quite hot. Okay, so it's just smoking. So there's a little bit of water on this that is from the washing. You can chuck that in. That's going to get our noodles cooking straight up. Okay, and we've got our stir-fry veg. So I'm going to get that on. Sorry, that's our noodle dressing. That's like sesame, spring onion, ginger, garlic, soy, a little bit of chilli. So I recommend cooking on as high heat as you can handle, really. So they're not going to take long, these vegetables. Once you see the kale is just starting to wilt, you can taste it. It'll still be a little bit crunchy, and it's ready. So at that point, in go the noodles. We basically just toss it all through. Get the noodles coated in all that sauce. But also suck up some of that sauce because we don't want it to be a wet noodle dish, we want it to be more like a fried noodle dish. There you go. Happy they're done. Open my bang bang sauce. With the bang bang sauce, we're going to pour that on some of the pork whilst it's hot. Toss it all round. Hopefully we'll get a bit of a kind of caramelising kind of reduction so it goes a little bit sticky, but we'll save some as a final drizzle as well. And then we've got the peanuts and the chilli and coriander to go on top. Okay, so I'm mostly going to try and get the noodles out on the first go. Just try and split them evenly. Okay, great, so they're pretty well and hot. So we'll take some of this. It's like an extra coating for the bang bang pork. And I guess you can just dot these about however you like. Take the bang bang sauce. Chilies obviously you don't have to put on, but not only do they make it look great, it's nice to have a little bit of extra bang in this case, eh?